Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. This is David T. Kramer, and I thought I'd share with you today the recipe, something here that I'm getting ready to cook up. I'm going to have me some sliced onions, sliced mushrooms. I've already sliced up a couple of bell peppers from our garden. I'm going to slice up the mushrooms and the onions, add them to the bell peppers in the pan, cover that up, put a little salt and pepper on it, cover it up, and water saute that, or really actually there'll be enough water come out of the mushrooms and onions and peppers I won't even need to add water, and I'll saute that up with some salt and pepper, and then I'll come in later after that gets not soggy or anything, but just kind of nice and done. And actually I'll do the onions and the peppers a little bit and then add the mushrooms last, because that takes a little bit longer on those. And then I'll come in with some of these whole peeled tomatoes. And I know this is a commercially processed food, and I try to keep as much whole foods, plant foods as possible without using too much processed foods. But as far as processed food goes, this is not too bad. I mean, the ingredients in this are mostly just tomatoes, tomato juice, just tiny portions of any kinds of anything as far as like that's not food, like calcium chloride, citric acid. It's really small. There's no sugar added. There's no oil added to this. They do have, it does have 120 milligrams of salt for a half a cup. So it's got a little salt in it, and same way with these corn tortillas that I will eat with that later. Once it's done, I'll toast these up in the toaster oven, but it's the same kind of thing. It's corn masa and water. There's no added oils. There's no added fats, no added sugar to these. And, they're like 50 calories a piece, and I'll probably eat just 2 of those. And then I'm going to have this brown basmati rice. And I really like this because it's so much better than white rice. Just like it says here on the outside of the package, this is really too. It has 3 times the fiber, and it has more vitamins than the white rices do. And it really makes a lot of difference if you eat a lot of rice like I do. I eat rice nearly every day. I'm eating some brown rice nearly every day. And the way I prepare that, I've actually got it already done over here. And what I do is I heat up my pan, heat up the rice dry. This is 1 cup of rice. It started out as 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, and about 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And get that stuff boiling, and then put it down on low and let it simmer. I think I simmered that for about 33 minutes. Brown rice takes longer than white rice. But that'll be ready to go. And so once I get all this done together, then I'll plate up the rice, and then I'll put all this, put this other mixture on top of the rice, and have a couple of corn tortillas there on the side. Wow! You talk about a tasty, tasty dish. And of course, this has the all of the kinds of things that you need to fight the chronic diseases that are killing us Americans. And it's low calorie, high fiber, lots of antioxidants, all the kinds of stuff that help to reverse things like type 2 diabetes, to fight cancer, to fight cardiovascular disease. This is the kinds of foods that really, really take care of that. And this is a tasty little dish. It really is a tasty, tasty, whole food, plant-based dish. All right, well, that's what I'm cooking today. And try this recipe out sometime. See what you think about it. All right, I'll check y'all later. Bye now.